2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, lane departure warning, remote engine start, stability control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.